Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I have another smaller job, but this is without knowing anything. Customer put it too much oil and it's huge smoking. I'm going to show you what's the oil level. When I take it out the dipstick, you can see as it is, it's here. You know, my fingers, this is the level, but it should be here. That's mean look like me customer overfill like a nearly 5 liters or something. I'm going to drain the oil first and show you what's happened. If you have a dipstick like that, don't going to fill up too much. You can measure it, put it little bit, measure again, put little bit. If you put it low, you can add more, but if you add it more, you can't do anything. You have to contact the mechanic. That's why this scenario, he added too much oil, then he need to contact the us, then we attend to the job. I'm going to change engine oil and oil filter and start the car, and I'll make another video for get you a more accurate idea. Stay on please. Thanks. I drained oil nearly 11.5 liters. Also put new oil filter and correct level of engine oil. I'm going to start the car and show you what happened next step. But still it's smoking because all excess oil came to the exhaust and it's deposit there. However, need to heat it up exhaust and gradually it will settle down. I'll ask to customer to keep it running like at least 45 minutes. After that it will settle down because all deposit oil in exhaust need to come out. See, very smoky. If you have a dipstick like this car, make sure put it to the correct level. Don't going to put it too much. If you add too much oil, ending with the like this problem, it's not good for the vehicle. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors.